I rode the comet trails above, found us made of the moon's sweet love. In the sky with stars that sing, lost in tales on lunar wings. Moon dust fantasies take flight through the cosmos in the night, drifting in a dream so bright. Catch the shimmer, hold it tight. Asteroids like skipping stones, through galaxies they've roamed and roamed. Nebulae paint worlds unknown, where we can dance where dreams are sown. Moon dust fantasies take flight through the cosmos in the night, drifting in a dream so bright. Catch the shimmer, hold it tight. Hailed in the Milky Way, hopes and wishes never stray. Stars align to light our way in this cosmic cabaret. Moon dust fantasies take flight through the cosmos in the night,